In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the edges of images in Affinity. This is a clean, non-destructive way to create a soft fade around your photo so it blends smoothly into a background. We'll use a selection, refine it with Grow and Feather, then convert it into a mask and add a simple fill layer behind it. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and load the image you want to work with. Click on the image layer so it's active in the Layers panel. This ensures every adjustment targets the right layer. At the top, click the pixel options and open Pixel Selection. Choose Select All. Selecting the entire canvas might feel counterintuitive, but it gives us a clean edge to work from and makes the next refinements consistent across any image size. Click Pixel again, go back into Pixel Selection, and choose Grow/Shrink. Here, nudge the selection inward or outward to define how far from the edge your blur should begin. If you want the blur to start inside the photo's edge, use a small shrink value. For a wider margin, increase it. Watch the marching ants to gauge the distance, then click. Apply when it looks right. Click Pixel again, open Pixel Selection, and choose Feather. Feather softens the selection boundary, which is what gives you that blurred edge. Increase the feather radius gradually, previewing how soft the transition will be. A higher value means a smoother, wider fade. When you're happy, click Apply. Now click Mask Layer. Affinity converts the active selection into a mask on your image, revealing the center and gently hiding the edges. You'll see the transparency where the blur fades out. Next, click Pixel again and choose New Fill Layer. This creates a background you can color to taste. Pick a neutral tone, brand color, or anything that complements your photo. Finally, drag the new fill layer below your image layer in the Layers panel. With the fill sitting underneath, the soft transparent edges of the masked photo blend into that color, giving you a clean vignette-style finish without destroying the original pixels. A few tips as you fine-tune. If the edge is too harsh, undo and increase the feather amount. If the blur starts too far in or out, adjust Grow or Shrink first, then Feather again. You can also swap the fill color at any time, or even replace it with a gradient or texture, and the mask will adapt automatically. That's it. Your image now has beautifully blurred edges ready for presentations, social posts, or print.